Hi guys, it's Karsh again with loads of information on Ferrari this time. Now coming to who owns Ferrari. LaFerrari is a model of Ferrari, so we have to now come to who owns Ferrari. Exor Envy is a holding company and it has the highest number of shares of Ferrari. So basically it owns Ferrari and Piero Ferrari, the son of Enzo Ferrari. Enzo Ferrari actually founded Ferrari. So Piero Ferrari has the second highest number of shares of the brand. Now coming to the engine of the car. The LaFerrari is a hybrid car, which means it has an electric motor and a normal petrol engine. It has a 6.3 liter V12 petrol engine and it has a very complex hybrid system which is used in F1 cars also. Coming to the transmission of the LaFerrari has a 7-speed dual clutch automatic transmission. Now coming to the design of the car. The LaFerrari overall looks aggressive from all the sides. That's literally the image of the car, but we are gonna go through all of the sides of the car one by one. From the front, the LaFerrari looks very aggressive, especially the side mirrors which stick out give it a very unique look. From the side also the LaFerrari looks aggressive, but not as aggressive as it looks from the front. It looks a lot more sleek from the side. And from the back also the car looks very aggressive, but again not as aggressive as it looks from the front. Now coming to some fun facts of the car LaFerrari. LaFerrari, the name, it actually means the Ferrari. So it's like the definitive ultimate Ferrari. And all LaFerrari models are rear wheel drive. But they don't just spin out every time because of its advanced traction control system, which actually helps a lot. And the LaFerrari has a Aperta version also, which is basically like a convertible version of the LaFerrari with a few changes, like the doors and all that. And it was unveiled to celebrate 70 years of the brand. The LaFerrari is Ferrari's first ever production car to be equipped with the Hikers system. The Hikers is a very complex and effective hybrid system which is also used in F1 cars. And LaFerrari cars are also very rare. Only 499 LaFerraris were ever made, and only 200 LaFerrari Aperta versions were ever made. Now coming to the statistics of the car. So statistics of the car are basically like the horsepower and all that of the car. So the LaFerrari's top speed is 350 kilometers per hour, which is 220 miles per hour. It can do 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.4 seconds. It has a 800 horsepower petrol engine and 163 horsepower electric motor, which in combined gives 963 horsepower. And the V12 makes 630 newton meters of torque, and it gets 270 newton meters of torque from the electric motor, which makes up to 900 newton meters of torque combined. The LaFerrari does not have a boot. A boot is basically like this luggage space which is at the rear end of the car, but the LaFerrari has engine behind, so it has a frunk. Frunk is the luggage space which is in the place where the hood should be, but the engine is behind, so there's place front. So the LaFerrari has a frunk, but the frunk is very small as it has only 40 liters of boot space. And average cars now in the market, normal cars have 350 liters of boot space and 400, but considering it's a hypercar, that boot space is not too bad. Now, coming to one of the most important things which people see before buying cars, the price. As many of you might have guessed, that LaFerrari is a very expensive car. Its price starts from $1.4 million when it was new, and 5.15 million AED when it was new, and Ferrari Aperta version $2.2 million when it was new, and 8.08 million AED when it was new. Guys, if you have any doubt regarding this video, the brand Ferrari or the model of Ferrari or anything related to cars, you can feel free to ask me in the comment section below. I will always be over there to answer your doubts and questions. Guys, if you like this video, found it helpful or informative, please like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel, as it will really mean a lot to me and it will motivate me to make more videos like these. Okay guys, hasta la vista. Enjoy yourselves till I hunt on some exclusive information for you guys.